Hi, do you want to make your data entry simpler and easier? This is how to go about it. Now, I've got a name for the members here, and you also have the cities, but the cities is on a different sheet. So this is how you go. I want to make the entry for these cities easier. So what I'm going to do is just to come to data. So I'm come to the first cell, then data. On data, you come to data validation, then on data validation group, here I'll change this to a list. Now at the list, click on it, then come to cities, highlight the cities, you enter, then already you have it. Now how do you apply it to all? You can just drag drop, or you simply copy and paste, then right click, you come here to special, then paste validation, then okay, you are done. So once you have it, you just have to select and say any of these are the Tokyo, Nairobi, and at sometimes if you know what is there, like I know this Tokyo, you can just type, then enter, restart like Nairobi, enter, you'll pick, and that your list is ready. Now, this is very helpful in data analysis, and let's go on to the applications. Now, I've got SKU, item description, balance, sellable, and unit cost, and also the supplier. So I've got a dashboard here. So my dashboard, I can use this in whenever I want to do things like a presentation. So can just copy these headings and bring here. So depending on whatever we are going to discuss, so I can just make a few lists here, come to this, then you can say all borders, same time you can say pick, you can say everything to be italicized, and I'll come to view. When I come to view, then I want to do away with guidelines, so I will have this. Okay, for validation, as we have seen in the previous one, we are going to do for SKU. The rest of the part we can link either with XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Today I'm going to show you a combination of validation and a special part of VLOOKUP, the advanced one. So come to data as we did for the other one, data validation, then on the groups, click, then click on the list. Now the source, in this case we are having from application here, and you're having the whole list. So I will control shift down to highlight the whole list. So if you control shift down to highlight the whole list, I will simply click on that list. Okay, you can see I've got my validation at this point. I'll copy and paste special for validation only. Now I'm going to use VLOOKUP to apply to all. So plus VLOOKUP. So we are picking on that cell, comma, then table array. This is our table. So if I pick in that, it means SKU is the column 1, description column 2, balance column 3, unit column 4, and supplier column 5. And I want to return all these at once. So what I'm going to do is to first lock this part by pressing functional key F4. Then I will open curly bracket and say I need 2, 3, 4, and 5. You close the curly bracket, and I need a true match. then I close.